Well, good morning. We're heading to the W3ACH hamfest. We went to it last year. It's pretty good. We'll see how this year turns out. It looks like a lot of vendors are showing up. Hopefully we'll have some good stuff to find. Come with me. Say hi to you two.
Good.
We gotta get our publicity out there somehow.
Yes, we do.
What in the world?
Okay.
What?
If you'll just put that in the drum there, sir.
He tries
Look
to make
who it
people.
is.
He tries to make people smile.
One of the other misfits finally came out. The other, oh,
I even brought my radio today.
nice, man. Well, thank you for coming out.
Hey, why not?
Well, lots of reasons.
I've
why
got
not.
nothing better to do except
How
sleep.
you doing?
There we go. Cool. Check it out.
I'm going to come in and see.
How's it going?
Hey, I've got the money.
Good kind of money, I hope. Oh, hey. Check that out.
Looks like a mix-up.
It's a learning lab.
Just why are you taking all the pictures?
Puts it on the internet and then on the link to the site to it.
Sneaking behind you, Jim.
All good. I've been eyeballing these laser pointers. I've been eyeballing these laser pointers.
I got
I really like that.
You want to see this one in action?
Yeah. Holy crap. Oh, that actually will burn.
You see the look at all the burn spots.
Oh, wow. Yeah. I want to get one of those one day. When I get a spare $100 to spend,
Gotcha.
at least I know where to go get them at.
Both them on the white dirt art. truck over a little bit.
What?
Yeah, I can pull front and move the truck over a little bit. And then you guys can sit there right there and stay there.
With the bugs? Oh, looky here.
Morning.
Morning. I've seen you around before.
Yes, what do you got there?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
How much do you want on the Motorola's?
Make me an offer. They both work. One's a Motorola, the other one's a Vertex Standard,
Oh, okay.
and they're both programmed for GMRS frequencies now.
Okay.
Oh, let me see. I'd say $20 a piece, unless you want to make me an offer.
Okay. All right. I'll think on that one.
All right.
Actually,
That's,
that's probably a little too late.
I don't have the programming software for. I had these people program that one for GMRS, but now there's more GMRS repeaters.
Yes.
So I would
Plenty
have
more.
to pay again to have it done, and that was $50. So I already picked up one that I can program myself.
You're a GMRS operator also?
Yes, also, yeah.
What?
I'm KG4CEB and WRHT 408.
You checking them out? Wait, you
Yeah.
come up and helped us out at the Iron Master run.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
I forgot to bring my. I should have wore that shirt today.
Yeah.
Cooler shirt.
I thought you looked familiar. I just couldn't think of where it was.
Yeah.
That's good. Thank you for coming out.
How's it going?
Oh, going good. Did you guys get something to eat?
Not yet. We just got finished setting up here.
We're gonna start lunch. I think about 10 o'clock is what they're saying.
All right.
Called this guy up. It was up in Brooklyn. That's where they had the repository. So just so happened we had to take stuff up to Lower Manhattan. People don't realize they were storing nukes in Lower Manhattan. They might still be. They were storing, the docks, the warehouse.
You look like a vintage type of guy. You got it.
I didn't find anything I was looking for, but I did find this. Got a gift for the wife. Hopefully she'll like it. Potions and pretty. It's pretty cool. Well, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.